Let's simply write an vector in R and print it out. Let's call it data, and we assign some values to it, and we use the C command. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close it. Okay, and if we press enter, then we store it, and now we can retrieve the data. We just simply write data and press enter, and we've got our data back. Very simple, no big deal. So we now can, of course, do some manipulation with these data. So we can, for example, calculate the average of the data, and we do that with the mean function. So mean, and we want that of the data, and press enter, and we get the mean of 3. We can do that with the standard deviation, SD of the data, and calculate the standard deviation, get 1.58. Of course, we can also then allocate names to these calculations. So we can say for the mean, we assign the variable name mean, and it should do this calculation. And then we have assigned this variable, and if we want to get the mean, we just simply have to type mean and get the mean. So this is very simple and straightforward.